again with another video. In today's video, I am doing a review on a LED wall light switch that I got from no other than the dollar store. So yeah, I thought it was pretty cool, so we're gonna check it out and see how it is, how it works. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay guys, we have to open it up. All right, so it comes with these little Velcro things to attach to the wall. So it comes with that, and I had to go get some AAA batteries because it comes with AAA batteries. It doesn't come with AAA batteries. So let me see how many AAA batteries I need. Ooh, I need 4 AAA batteries. So let's open the batteries and see. Oops, and put them in. All right, so let me tell you, the quality on this is kind of flimsy. All right, so let's put it in here. Oh, so we need three AAA batteries. All right, so let's see. All right, so okay guys, I'm going to just mount it now. So I'm going to take this and just put it right here, and take the other one that's provided and put it right here. All right, so we have that. So we're just gonna place it on the wall. All right, and let's test it out. So I'm gonna cut the light off and see if it works. So okay guys, and cut it off and cut it on. It's really bright guys, like it's really bright. So okay guys, as you can see, it really works. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and as always, please guys do not forget to subscribe.